Gated delatch. A gated delatch has two inputs, that is data input D and gate input Z. This is D and one more input is G. This can be constructed from S or latch and gates. Here AND gates, S or latch. So Q and Q bar are the inputs. Now we'll see when G is equal to 0 and S is equal to R is equal to 0. This For this case Q does not change. Q does not change. So always gate G should be 1. When G is equal to 1, now we'll check the conditions. That is D is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1, comma R is equal to 0. When D is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0, this means set. S is equal to 1 means set. So this works as set to 1. Now same as when G is equal to 1, D is equal to 0 and S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. That means in SR latch S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. And now considering D is 0, S is equal to 0. This means reset to 0. In other words, we can consider as G is equal to 1, the output follows, that is output is Q, follows the D input. Always G should be 1 and when D is equal to 1, then it is output Q is 1. When D is equal to 0, output becomes 0. When G is equal to 1, the Q output that holds the last value of D, that means no state change. This type of latch is also referred to as transparent latch because when G is equal to 1, the Q output is the same as the D input. When G is equal to 0, it is holding. So it is also called as transparent latch. Now we'll see the truth table for this, and the latch is D, one input is D and other input G, Q, Q bar. Take the inputs G, D, Q is the output and Q plus is next state. We will see that for all combinational values, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. Okay. Now we'll see the next state, that is when G is equal to 0, that means that this latch is holding the output, Q output. So what is Q here? 0, 1, 0, 1. So the next state becomes the same, that is it is holding. When G is equal to 1, now we'll check D 0, then it will be reset. What is D? The same output will be getting. And when D is equal to 1, that is set to 1. D0 means output is 0, reset. D1 output becomes 1, that is set. This is what the truth table. Now by this we'll construct K map and see the characteristic equation. Q Z D. Q bar Q. All zeros 0. Next 0 1, that is here 0 1 0, 0 1 0 is 0. Next Z D 1 1 and Q bar is 0, that means 0 and both ones this here, so place 1. Next G1 D0 Q0 1 0 0, the value is 0. Next 0 0 1, 0 0 1, the value is 1 output. Next state. Next 0 1 1, 0 1 1, the next state is 1. Next 1 1 1, all ones, output is 1. 1 0 1, 1 0 1 0. Now we can pair this and this. Q plus, that is the next state. Characteristic equation becomes from this Q, here G bar is constant, so Q G bar plus, from this Q is changing and Z. This is the characteristic equation for gated D latch.